Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, June 5th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we're going to start the day looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures right now are trading lower by $2.50 to $24.35 per contract. All in all, futures right now trading down just a touch. We'll see how this market plays out today, but markets were very, very strong last week, especially going into the weekend. So we'll see what this gives us, and we'll see where we go. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we like to focus our attention. That's where we like to try to make some money each and every day, day trading. Let's take a look at Apple today. Apple, I believe, was downgraded today. The stock right now is trading at $154.35, closed at $155.45 on Friday. So a little bit of a downtick for Apple, about $1.10 lower, and we'll see how that plays out today. Nonetheless, it is just a downgrade, nothing more, nothing less. We'll see where we go, but nonetheless, Apple declining a little bit at the moment. Another stock we're going to be looking at today is Herbalife. Herbalife, I believe, had earnings and lowered their guidance. Stock right now is trading at $70.11, closed at $73.92. So Herbalife, which was already very overbought on a weekly chart basis, coming down a little bit here. Again, we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. You're kind of still in a range that the stock has been in for about a month. So no real levels out here just yet for Herbalife, but I will try to work on some levels for the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going. Next up, we're going to take a look at SINA Corp, SINA. This is a leading Chinese ADR. Stock right now is trading at $92. It closed at $96.50. This is another equity that was very, very overbought, trading above $100 a share, coming back down today. I believe, I'm not sure of the news on SINA Corp, so again, you'll have to check that out for yourself. But right now, just looking at the stock, it still needs to pull back further, in my opinion, at least get back down to the mid-80s, maybe $86 to $85 before there is some support. So again, SINA Corp under pressure right now, and we're just going to watch this one pretty closely. Next up, we're going to take a look at PRGO, which is PRGO. Stock right now is trading at $70.91, closed at $73.44 on Friday. I believe this is on a downgrade. We could care less. All we care about is the levels. PRGO, if you look at the stock, does have a lot of support around $68.25 today. If it does get down there, there could be a potential trade there. Remember, if you're taking a look at PRGO, the stock sometimes does not trade huge volume, but it generally trades over 1 million shares, so that 68 level should be pretty solid. Pandora is in the news today. It looks like there's I guess a little news article saying that if XM Satellite Radio does not buy the company, it looks like Verizon might be in the running, and that stock is getting a little bit of a lift. It closed at $9.30, now trading at $9.55. So Pandora right now looks like it has a little bit of a floor underneath it with this news, so just keep an eye on it. Technically, the chart looks decent on Pandora at the moment. Next up, we're going to take a look at GPS, and this is going to be Gap Stores, and what you're going to see here is got a little bit of an upgrade today. Stock is trading at $22.80, closed at $22.56. I don't think we're going to make too much out of that. eBay is another stock, I believe, upgraded today. So eBay right now trading at $36.39. I'm not in love with this upgrade. I think this stock is up a lot already. Watch for a lot of resistance today around 35. Make that $37.50 if it does get there. Right now it's trading at $36.39 at the moment, but keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at JKS, which is Jinko Solar. Stock right now is trading at $17.90, closed at $18.78. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Stock is starting to come down. There is some support around $16.85 today there. You could look to potentially get a little bit of a day trade. I'm just not sure how much of a bounce you'd get out of that one, but keep it on the radar, as that will be a level there, and we'll see how that all plays out going forward. Next up, we want to take a look here at the gold market. What you're going to see here is gold is up $3.30 at the moment. Right now trading at $1,283.50 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, what you'll see is that it's trading at $121.84 a share on the GLD, which is a very solid gold ETF to track. So again, no real action there. If you're taking a look at oil today, oil is lower by 40 cents, trading at $47.29 a barrel. And again, if you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at $9.77 a share. All right, we're going to wrap it up and leave it there. Monday is a little bit on the lighter side. Again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us, see everything that we are doing there. And again, we've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.